In this video, we'll see the recipe of delicious aloo tikki burger which has a surprise of cheese inside. Let's get started. To make the tikkis, heat some oil in a pan. To the hot oil, add one small size finely chopped green chili, or you can use a little more green chili if you like your tikkis to be spicy. Saute for 5 to 10 seconds at low flame and then add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Keep the flame between low to medium and saute for 10 to 15 seconds or till the raw smell of the ginger and garlic is gone. Here I've got 1/4 teaspoon turmeric approximately, half teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon ready-made Kitchen King masala, or you can add pav bhaji masala, chole masala, any masala, half teaspoon chaat masala. Keep the flame low and saute for 5 to 10 seconds. You would get a very nice fragrance. Next step is to add boiled potatoes. So here I've got 4 small sized, or you can use 2 medium sized potatoes. Peel them and mash them and then add salt as per taste. Keep the flame between low to medium and saute well till masala, salt, potatoes, everything is well combined. Towards the end, add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of chopped fresh coriander and mix well. And then let this mixture cool down. Here I've got mozzarella cheese. If you do not have mozzarella, you can use processed cheese. Keep it aside. Now I'm going to divide this potato mixture into 5 equal sized patties. 5 equal sized portions. Later we'll make patties. So this recipe would give you 5 burgers. Take one portion, flatten it and place some cheese. Make sure that the cheese is not hard right out of your freezer. Let it come to room temperature and become soft, and it would melt nicely. Now another thing, add some Schezwan Chutney, or you can add some chili sauce, any other spicy chutney. Cheese and spicy chutney surprise inside, and make a patty out of it like this. I'm going to repeat this step with the rest of the patties or tikkis. Here I've got 3 tablespoons whole wheat flour, that is Gehun ka atta. I'm adding some salt. Now you need to add some water to make a thin paste, or medium, not very thin. You can see what it should look like in this video. And here I've got some powdered cornflakes. If you do not have these, you can use breadcrumbs. Next step is to coat these tikkis first in the wet mixture, followed by the dry, that is cornflakes or breadcrumbs if you use breadcrumbs. Another important tip, if you feel that your potato mixture is loose, or you fry a little portion of your mixture and see that it's breaking into the oil, make sure you add some breadcrumbs, or you can add powdered fresh bread. So you can just grind some bread in your mixer grinder jar and add to the potato mixture for binding. Because sometimes the potatoes are watery and I get these questions like my tikkis were breaking in the oil. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to freeze these 3, and these would stay good up to 15 days in my freezer, ready to use anytime. I'll go ahead with the 2 tikkis. So I'm going to shallow fry these. If you want, you can deep fry, but make sure for deep frying you fry a little portion, and if required, add some binding of bread or breadcrumbs. Shallow fry till the tikki becomes crispy on both the sides. So it will be a combination of crispy tikki on the outside and soft potato mixture inside. Let's assemble the burger. So some tomato ketchup, then the tikki, tomato slices, onion slices. I'm not adding any cheese slice here because there's already cheese inside the tikki. Some mayonnaise. You can dilute your mayonnaise by adding some water or milk and whisking, the way I have done. Some lettuce leaves and some more ketchup. So I'm adding this ketchup so that the burger bun stays on top. If you want, you can add more mayonnaise. You need to repeat the steps with rest of the burgers. So this burger has Indian touch to it and a surprise of Schezwan chutney and cheese inside. It tastes absolutely fantastic, very tasty. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.